Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 7th of May, and today is the Sensex Expiry. Sensex is opening, in fact, has opened 0.34% up. We are opening here 78. We opened here 78,350 level. So, yeah, after the huge rally, 2 p.m. rally yesterday, guess market needs some breather. We don't have any bearish or bullish sentiments today. We'll treat the market based on its merit and trade. So again, it's going to be a very risk-off approach. The fact that it is being a Sensex expiry. So yeah, let them just mild gap up, and it is so selling down. So I'll update you when we take the first position. The time is 9:15. The time is 9:56. We have taken an initial entry using this dip in increase in IV as a chance to ride the 77,300 put. 77,300 put, an appropriate hedge. It's just 60 quantity, 3 lots only. We'll size up as and when the market demands, or we'll just exit when we have reached our prefixed stop loss. This is just the testing the water quantity. I guess today Sensex is not giving any protection. If falling down, giving a W pattern. Maybe this can continue or the fall will continue. Either way, we will manage. The time is 9:57. So we had to take a stop loss on the put side. At the same time, we sold a 78,600 call option above the day's high. We took stop loss for this position at around, we had to take it around 38, 15 points we lost there. Now we have sized up full quantity. Let's see how long we can hold this range. Index heavyweights are just, this is the cause of the fall. Reliance fell. HDFC Bank is weak now. Only ICICI Bank is putting it up. Open interest front 78,500 and 77,000. So the time is 10:14. We'll catch you at the next update. The time is 10:30. Today is a wide range candle day. Sensex has already swung multiple times from 73.35 to 77,833. 800 point it has already swung. So currently we are down 0.6%, not 0.6%, less than that. We have a triangle 600 point upwards and 600 point downwards. Had to do multiple adjustment in between, so didn't get the time to update. Almost balanced now. Let's see how long we can hold this triangle. HDFC Bank is whipsawing as well as Reliance. A big institutional buying on selling going on. Put is crashing. The time is 10:30. Another interesting observation from the oday front. See, Sensex was dipping the last 5-10 minutes. That time 77,500 put option has shown increase in writing, while 78,500 call option is showing decrease in writing. So the fear is clearly on the upside. The market participants are risking in the fear on the upside. It's just an observation for right now. Everything depends on the risk reward and risk management. Currently we are down These are quick movements, but we have to bear the MTM swing of this wide range candle. Look at this candle. So yeah, the time is 10:40. We'll catch you at the next update. The time is 11:46. So we are seeing a sell-off in Sensex, but that sell-off is never linear. It's whipsawing up and down constantly. So we had to make constant adjustment. So currently we are down 743. We have rolled down from 78,500 to 78,600 to 78,500. We exited the 77,400 put without much damage, and this was exited earlier. So yeah, now waiting for an IV spike to enter call options again. It has been not a good market for option sellers today. Constant whipsawing. You can see this straddle spike. These were actually brutal in both the side. So the time is 11:47. We'll catch you when we take the next trade. The time is 12 o'clock. What a market today. It's actually option sellers hell today. No question about it. There's a quick up move, and luckily we had exited the 78,500 call option. We exited around 19 rupee. Now it's trading at 45. Hell of a market today. There's no question about that. Now call side is spiking. We sold 77,400 put option when we were seeing at a double bottom W pattern here. So you can see it was sold 77,400 put option was sold at 11:53. Around here. We sold it around here. So yeah, HDFC Bank is propelling the up move, also ICICI Bank. It's not about the up move or down move, it's the ferocity of the both swing on the both side that is causing massive trouble to the option sellers. These spikes are insane. So yeah, the time is 12 o'clock. We'll catch you in the next update. Time is 12:05. We have exited this old put. Saying this more up down move or profit booking, which whatever you can see, whatever you can say. But the moves are very ferocious. And the premium base is so low that we cannot hold it for the full movement. So we'll reevaluate the market. Look, 77,400, we exited around 23, I guess. 2380. Hovering around there. These delta moves are ferocious. We'll take a look at the open interest. 78,500. Strong writing there. They have not budged. A little bit, yeah, obviously. We were at 77,400. Let's look at 77,500. It is increasing. I change. Still 78,500. A big resistance. Last 30 minutes. Some of the guys has left at 78,000. Yeah, the time is 12:07. We'll update you on the next update when we take the next trade. Time is 12:50. We have entered a 77,500 put option sold at 2380 just a few seconds ago. We'll risk manage it aggressively. Breaking even in this market is itself a big thing. So yeah, risk management is of the utmost importance in this market. We are so seeing clearly whipsawing move. You can see these small spikes. These are spiking huge. Yeah, the time is 12:16. The treachery continues. This down move, we had to exit the sold put option. Now we don't have any position. Don't think today's market is an easy market. Hasn't been easy lately. Especially today is very difficult. Time is 12:29. Time is 12:39. I don't know what they are knowing. The people with big money, big pocket are knowing that we don't know. A sudden quick move and followed by even a quicker up move. This used to be the pattern when Jane Streets were active in the Indian market. I hope all of you know what is Jane Street and what were they doing, what they were doing. Oh, look at the 15-minute candle. Or some news might have come that Iran, US true something, right? Something like that. Whatever it is, we have sold a 77,800 put option in the up move. Been a tiresome day. We'll just cut off the position when our risk tolerance is reached. The time is 12:40. The time is 12:47. We have exited the sold put 77,800 put when it was trading around 25. We'll try a re-entry when the market allows us to. Unpredictable market today. Was not able to read market at any point of time. Absolute carnage. It was just risk management game all the way. I don't know if any news, it was a news driven or some algos screwing us up. Seriously don't know. We'll analyze it post market. That's all we can do. During the market, what we can do is just risk manage. The time is 12:48. The time is 2:23. We had taken a 78,600 as well as 77,500 put options triangle. Currently it has 10 rupee minus 8 rupee 8 point credit left. So we're going to put a trailing stop loss on this mark to market 4 point. That is around 2000. We'll get out. We still have half an hour for averaging. So big movements can come. So we're going to trail the stop loss on a mark to mark basis. It was entered around 2 p.m. exactly 1:30 p.m. Around here it was entered call side as well as put side. Call side had more credit. There was a skew in the option pricing. At that point 600 point away was trading more than 500 point below. That's why it was entered. The time is 2:24. So it's the 3 o'clock update. This is the last clip. Basically we didn't do anything. We kept on trailing the mark to market stop loss, trailing stop loss to 17,000, then 19,000, 20,000, etc. It was trailed according to the credit remaining. When 2 rupees were remaining, we were willing to put 2 rupee on the table. So 2 into 480. Like that we used to trail. Nothing short of madness. That is what can describe today's market. Absolute carnage. Look at the size of each candle. Couldn't fathom the magnitude of these candles. Want to make it bigger and remove all the lines. See this for yourself. Started the day, gap up, sold, again gap, again up move, down move, up move, down move, move, down move, up move, and massive up move, followed by even massive down move. This phase of the market, option seller could have minted money because this is the time accelerated theta kicks in, as well as this volatility was very low comparing to the morning session. So yeah, we were able to finish it with 0.6% of the profit, 0.6% of the overall capital, 42 orders. So that's a bit, that would dent the profit margin. But yeah, that's how it is. So I hope you had a good trading day. I hope you got out of your position. I mean, at the wrong market move at the correct time. If one were to hold on to one's position dearly and say, I'll wait a couple of more minutes, then that's going to be disaster in this type of market, especially Sensex expiry. So pretty happy that I got out of the move earlier. It's not that I predicted the move or something like that, but it was all part of the risk reward. So that's it from my side. I'll catch you at the next Nifty expiry. Thank you.